Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is about tarot psychic reading and astroscope life purpose reading. How are they different? What do they individually highlight? How do they help you to walk the path of fulfillment and victory? Let's start with tarot psychic reading. So if you have questions regarding money, relationship, health, marriage, various questions regarding different choices that you have to make in life, anything which relates to how, what, when, why, whom, which, etc. Should you be doing this or not? When will this happen? What will happen? You can book your tarot psychic reading for those answers. Deep or shallow questions pertaining to short term and long term regarding yourself or your loved ones are covered here. So tarot psychic reading is the easiest way to get answers to all sorts of questions regarding your life. This way it offers a bigger paradigm as compared to any other readings. I always refer tarot reading as tarot psychic reading because I believe that for every materialistic aspects of one's life, there is an undercurrent flow of energy, which if can get healed, all earthly issues of human life, complicated or non-complicated, will be solved. Psychic reading is about reading this prevailing undercurrent to know the real reason of the problems on the platter. So I believe in treating the pneumonia rather than the symptoms of pneumonia. I hope you understood this analogy. Actually, when one has subconscious blockages due to childhood issues or past life issues, blockages in belief system, or blockages in connectivity with nature or source, the energy flow is hindered in the body and in the aura. Thus, career, money, health, relationship, marriage issues arise. It also leads to anxiety, indecisiveness, anger, fear, doubt, overthinking, confusion, lack of confidence, etc. So when one asks question in my tarot psychic reading session, my first few draws from my cards are to read these blockages, their nature, and accordingly their remedies are given. At times, a simple yes or no question requires a deeper study of this energy behind the choices you have made. Supposedly, you have two job offers with one paying better than the other. So even if the first choice seems lucrative in terms of money, but you need to also know, is your energy in total sync with that job? What do I mean by that sync in energy is maybe you are getting more money there, but your health may deteriorate. There can be work-life imbalance. There can be relentless politics leading to anxiety. Unlike the second offer wherein probably the salary is less, but it suggests good people, good health, career growth, good environment, harmony, etc. Tarot psychic reading helps you to understand this aspect of the yes and no answers. Though both the answers would be yes, but which one should you now go ahead with is what tarot psychic reading intends to highlight. Now you will be in a position to judge and then decide. Your choice will make your life. Similarly goes with your relationship, whether you should stay or leave. Thus, to make clear decisions, ask questions during your tarot psychic reading. Moreover, please understand, when you are facing any sort of issue or problem in your life, it is indicative of energy blockages. and that's because you have disoriented from your actual karmic path or soul journey that you were supposed to follow in this lifetime. You have lost your path for which you took birth. This is where Asteroscope Life Purpose Reading comes into picture as a roadmap or GPS of your actual karmic path for this lifetime. It also covers challenges you may face on this path and solutions to those challenges. Actually, Asteroscope Life Purpose Report reads your this lifetime's karmic path, past life issues hindering the happiness in this lifetime, blessings and blockages which soul has been carrying since its origin, and simple steps to reorient your life on the orbit of your soul's journey. The quicker you are aware of the path to follow, the easier it is for you to live life. Because now you are aware of what you need to do and what you are not supposed to do. Asteroscope reading requires 3 days to prepare a report based on your birth details, actual size of the constellation, which makes various angles with the planets, and at the same time your complete asteroid formation. This is not astrology. Please do not confuse Asteroscope Life Purpose Reading with readings of your zodiacs, sun sign, moon sign, rising, lagna, or Venus, etc. Asteroscope Life Purpose Reading is completely different from astrology, as it has a totally different areas to cover which are not even talked about in astrology or in your horoscope. The only common thing between Asteroscope Life Purpose Reading and astrology is both of them requires your birth details and nothing else. There are many videos on YouTube, tons of videos on YouTube you'll find about people reading your zodiac signs bi-monthly. They're doing tarot reading for your zodiac signs bi-monthly, monthly, weekly. And that has to do with sun sign, moon sign, Venus, ascendant, etc. Asteroscope reading has nothing to do with it. It does not require any of your signs. Rather, it lays out simple steps for you to follow your purpose of birth. Since the 21st century has started, our soul chakra has massively opened up. This 21st century is all about knowing your life purpose, connecting to your higher self, connecting to your unique space within you. And that is why a lot of people are wanting to know why have they been born on earth? What is the purpose of their life? Why are they struggling? Why certain things happened in their life? So the life purpose that we are talking about, it can be as simple as controlling one's egoistic nature, letting loose of one's control from others' lives, taking care of your finances, having that financial discipline, relaxing with family, communicating properly, being social, innovative, do something for the society, recognizing one's self-worth, being open to higher education, etc. The 7-8 pages Asteroscope report gives a handful of such simple steps according to individuals' birth details and sky angles, so that you can align yourself with your soul journey. If this information resonates with you, then whether you have some short-term, long-term questions regarding your life, or you want to go deeper and explore your life purpose, accordingly you can book your tarot psychic reading or Asteroscope life purpose reading respectively. You can book your sessions by sending your interest on info@mysteriousbox.co.in. I hope you liked this video and this would have given you a clearer picture of how astroscope, life purpose reading and astrology are different, and how tarot psychic reading and astroscope life purpose reading can really help you to lead a very happy and fulfilling life. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay blessed.